Hello guys! Today we are going to talk about Bonfire Night, which is celebrated in England on the 5th of November. So, today. It's a very old tradition. It dates back centuries and people have been celebrating it for a very long time. So, what happens on that night? Firework displays are organized in most towns and villages all around England, and people gather together with family and friends in their back gardens around bonfires. So the other day I was with my friend Anne, and she's from England, and she told me what people used to do back in the days on their night. And it's a little bit different from what they do now. So I thought it could be interesting and I've decided to share it with you. So here is what my friend Anne told me.
In the days leading up to the 5th of November, in many towns and villages, children around the country would be seen wandering the streets, asking for a penny for the guy, please, or pushing a wheelbarrow or an old pram with the effigy of Guy Fawkes in it, which they had eagerly made themselves for the occasion. Obviously, this was just an opportunity for them to have a little bit of money at a time when children had no easy access to it. The pennies would then have been spent in special treats like sweets or sparklers to enjoy on bonfire night. While kids were keeping themselves busy, begging for money, fuel for the big fire would be gathered by the adults in the form of anything they could find, old wood or rotten furniture, in a field outside the village. On top there would be Guy Fawkes, not the real one of course, just a handmade figure of him. On the 5th of November, the same night of the failed attempt at blowing up the English Parliament, a busy crowd of villagers would gather in the field. The bonfire would be lit and Guy Fawkes set on fire. The celebration continued with firework displays to the villagers' amazement and delight. Hot food and drinks were then served to keep the spirits high and the bodies warm.
Thanks, Anne. That was very interesting, at least for me, because I love listening to old stories. As for nowadays, kids don't walk around anymore. There is no need for it. But fireworks displays and bonfires are still in fashion. So happy bonfire night to all of you, and see you on the next video. Bye!